Welcome back everybody. I'm really excited to announce the launch of Freeroam Marketplace. So while the site has been ready for some time, they didn't go live yet. They were waiting to cross the T's and dot the I's on the legal paperwork. But now that that's all out of the way, they are ready and set to go. I'm really excited, not just because I'm a Ghost Chain holder, which by the way, if you don't know the correlation between Ghost Chain and Freeroam, check out my previous video. I'll include a link down in the description. But aside from that, I'm actually really excited because I feel like it's a huge step forward for the NFT marketplaces on Cardano. I feel like it's going to breed a lot of competitiveness into the space, and it's going to appeal to the wider market as a whole and not just Cardano users. In this video, I'm going to do a tutorial and show you how you can list your assets with the site, as well as just a general overview as well. Here we are on the main Freeroam page. I'll include a link down in the description. When you first arrive, you'll see a green connect button in the upper right hand corner, and you will need to connect a smart contract capable wallet. If you don't know how to make one, I'll include a link down in the description to a video I've made. Once you've done that though, you're free to roam around the site. Here on the home page, they basically just have a couple teasers to other tabs. They've got their trending tab, which is going to relate back to their analytics. They've also got teasers for their upcoming drops and their calendar tab. And if we go all the way to the bottom, they have a few tabs down here for people who are brand new to crypto, who are brand new to Cardano. So again, this is appealing to that broader audience, not just people who already know NFTs, not just people who already know crypto. They're kind of breaking down that barrier to entry, which is great to see. If we tab over to the collections page, you can search by category or just browse the different collections they have. The marketplace tab, pretty run-of-the-mill. You know, you can search by category or by collection. You can also filter those by low to high, price high to low, what was recently listed. And again, that's pretty run-of-the-mill. The next tab over though, I'm really excited about, and this is the analytics tab. So it's really great to have all this in one place, really comprehensive website. You can come down here, you can search by volume. It's going to show you highest to lowest. You can search by market cap, highest to lowest. SpaceBud's rocking it with $61.1 million market cap. So yeah, a really great tab you can come check out, see how your favorite project stacks up to the other guys, or maybe you can use it to price your next move. If we tab over to the calendar page, it's not active yet, but basically it's just going to be a calendar. It's going to show you when different NFT projects are dropping, what their mint is, so on and so forth. So that'll be a great way to stay in the know. Again, a very comprehensive website. Now, if you click on your wallet up here in the right-hand corner, you can go to not just the dashboard, which is a really great feature that shows you all the NFTs in this wallet, gives you their floor price. It's a rough estimation basically because it's not going to be able to account for more rare NFTs at the moment. But it's still a really great tab to come check out, come see what your wallet's valued at currently. Next over you have your NFT tab, so you can come here and see which NFTs are in the wallet, and you can also list directly from there. We'll come back and list in a minute. On the next tab over you can see your listings. Another cool feature is that they actually have the token tab separate from the NFTs. So this is going to be for all of those shit coins that are really clogging up your wallet. If you're hitting the drip drops pretty hard, if you've got that Hosky, Buffalo, Charles, all that stuff, that's going to come to this token tab. There's also an activity tab, which is going to show you your activity. That's going to let you know if they're pending, confirmed, failed, what have you. So of course the site is just now going live, so there are some bugs that they're working through. If you encounter any bugs, you can probably rest assured at the moment they're probably aware of it. Lots of other people are reporting it. But if you feel like you need to report a bug, join their Discord. There is a section for you there. So now that we've gone through the overview, let's go ahead and list something together. You'll click on your wallet icon in the upper right hand corner and then tab over to the NFTs. Find the asset that you wish to list for sale. Click on list asset. It's going to tell you the current floor price for that asset, which is really nice. And if I actually try to list it below, you'll see I get a nice little warning here that's going to tell me I'm listing below the floor price. And honestly, I'm not even going to sell it for 450 ADA because that's just robbery. If you know where Yummy's going, then you know. So instead, I'm going to list another asset that I actually already intended to list. Once you enter the price, it's going to ask you to sign the transaction. Once the transaction's gone through, you'll be able to view it over here in the activity tab. So again, it may take a little while to go through. As we can see, the new listing is sent. Once it's confirmed, it'll show us confirmed in here, and I'll be able to see it under the listings tab as well. And that's it for today's video, you guys. Definitely come check out Freeroam. Come check out that dashboard tool at the very least, even if you're not listing any of your assets for sale. If you've enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future coverage, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.